Hello, and welcome to this video looking at how to create a guide layout from a shape. So you can see I've got a shape here on layer 4, and we may want to create a guide layout from that. So the way we do that is we go to View, and we're going to go to Guides, and we've got New Guides from Shape. You can see it's going to create it on the edges there. Now guides actually do quite a lot of stuff. For instance, if I did a new document here and I did it with film and video, you can see it creates a guide there. But another thing that you can do, say I change the image size, we do half the width, for example, you can see the guides are still in the right position. So it's a relative guide and it will adjust accordingly to the size of the canvas. So you could clear all the guides, you can lock the guides, because at the moment the guides can actually be moved. And talking about moving the guides, if I press Shift, you'll see I can go, if you look at the ruler, you'll see I'm going on the points of the ruler there. Another thing you can do is if I press, you can see it snaps as well to the point there. Another thing you can do is if I press Alt, let go, it's going to then change it to a vertical guide. When you're actually drawing the guides out, if you press Alt while you're doing it, that's a good way to actually do it sort of on the fly, pressing Alt.